Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Python on your Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you are using Windows PC or laptop, so you can easily install Python. Just open the browser, then search this website. I will give link in description. Now here you will see latest version for Python, and it will work for Windows. If you are using Linux, Mac OS or others, so select from here. And if you're using Windows, so select it. This is the 3.10.5. Then click on Save. Now once successfully complete, double click on it. Here you need to select Install Launcher for all users. It's recommended. And also you can add Python 3.10 to path. You can customize installation, choose location and features, or leave as default. Then click on Install. Now wait for a few seconds. Once you see setup was successful, close it and restart your system. So thanks for watching, and please comment, please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.